In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Upwork time tracker using Google. Whether you're new to freelancing or a seasoned professional, keeping track of your work hours efficiently is incredibly important. And using the Upwork time tracker can make this process seamless and accurate. Now let's dive in and get you set up with this tool. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Opening your browser is the gateway to accessing all the resources you need online. And today it's going to take us to Google, which is where our journey begins. So just go ahead and click to open up your browser. Once your browser is open, head over to Google's homepage by typing google.com into the search bar and pressing enter. Google is a powerful tool for quickly finding exactly what you need on the internet. Today, we're going to harness its power to find the Upwork time tracker. In the search box, type Upwork time tracker and hit enter. You'll see a list of results related to Upwork and its time tracking software. Now you'll want to look at the very first option that appears on the search results page. Typically, Google does a great job of listing the most relevant and reliable link first, especially for popular search terms like this one. Clicking on this link will direct you to Upwork's official page, where you can download the time tracker directly. This ensures that you're getting the software from a trusted source, which is crucial for security and performance. As you arrive on the download page, you'll see options for different versions of the time tracker software. Here, you need to select the version that is compatible with your operating system. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or perhaps another operating system, choosing the correct version is essential to ensure the software runs smoothly on your computer. Look for a clear download button, which is usually prominently displayed to facilitate easy access. Once you've verified you're on the correct website and selected the right version for your operating system, go ahead and click Download. Your browser should start downloading the time tracker installer, and depending on your internet speed, it might take a few moments to complete. Keep an eye on your download progress, and once it's finished, you'll be ready to install the application and start tracking your work hours with ease and precision. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Upwork time tracker. Having this tool at your disposal makes managing your freelance projects more organized, helping you to stay on top of your productivity and creating an accurate record of your work hours for your clients. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started.